everybody, how you doing? Got day one as a UPS PVD underneath my belt here for season 2020. No surprises to report, but I just wanted to clarify some things and do a quick little update. I put in about 8 hours yesterday. It was 50 stops, 75 packages. One of my runs contained what I called my bigs. It was 5 boxes. 5 boxes filled my expedition, and that was one run. That took about 45 minutes. As I said, I live in a small town about 8 miles away from the center hub. They do have at least at my hub, they have the Samsung Galaxy phones available with the app put on there, and that's the way I went, you know. And no surprises with that. Everything worked basically the same as it did last year. The other update is on signature deliveries, just to clarify what I mentioned in my question and answer episode last time. I had several of those yesterday. One of them was 2 cases of wine. It was their anniversary. Anyway, what you do is you know, this required an adult signature. I knocked on the door. A guy came to the door. I introduced myself, Dave from UPS, and I've got some signature. He knew what it was. He was expecting the wine. So we unloaded the wine down to by the garage there. And then, as you will see in the training, I signed my own phone. You know, you don't give the phone to the customer with the COVID thing going on. I finger wrote in CD. That stands for contactless delivery. Asked him his last name, typed that in, hit enter, stop complete, yada yada, all said and done. I have the same route as I had last year, same section of town, and I will tell you that I probably had 5 stops yesterday that were new stops, and that's because they added a little section to the section of town that I delivered last year. Otherwise, in the section that I was familiar with, I'll bet you there was not one house that I delivered to that I had not delivered to last year. You will see repeat customers over and over again. We actually had record high breaking temperatures in central Iowa yesterday. I think it got up to 78. I was actually running the air conditioning. Well, like I said, no big surprises. Just wanted to report in that day number 1 is successfully down and everything's good to go. Hey, keep those questions and comments coming, and thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.